Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to discuss a really cool platform that helps you prepare for your IELTS exams. The best thing about this platform is you can do all your preparations online, whether it's for general or academic training. So you can prepare from your home, from your office or from your college. All you need is just access to the internet and you are good to practice. They have 3 different packages for 2 weeks, 4 weeks and 6 weeks program. You can select one based on your needs, or if you are confused about what to opt for, you can also use their free assessment test to find out which package suits you best. Once you click on Take a free assessment test, you will be asked your name, email and phone number, and the test will start. Answer the set of questions, and based on the correct answers you provide, it will suggest you most suitable package. There is a 30% off discount offer going on, and you can use this discount code to get an even better price. Once you enroll in the package, you will receive your login details in your email and you can start your learning right away. Now let's see how their platform works. As you can see, I am logged into my dashboard. On the left, you can see a tab called Orientation. Here you will find an overview by their teachers on how to attempt each module and what approach to use in order to get better scores. The videos are pretty detailed, so you will find lots of information from this. On the left menu, there is another option called Tests. Under this, you will find 5 options: reading, writing, speaking, listening and discussion. Let's try to attempt reading test first. You will find a list of different reading tests. Click on the small red button and you can start your test. The test is similar to an actual reading test and you can write all your answers on the right side for the questions provided on the left side. Once you have provided your answers, you will receive a score and perhaps a remark from your teacher. Now let's check out the writing section. The outline of all the sections is similar and you find tests which you can start by clicking the small red button. For the writing section, you have 2 options. One is computer-based and the other is paper-based, just like an actual IELTS format. If you prefer a computer-based test, you can start it right away. You can write your answers in the tabs provided on the left and the question paper is on the right. But if you want to practice on a paper-based test format, you need to write answers on a paper, take their pictures and upload them to your portal. Clicking on Start Now button would open a dialog box where you can attach all your images. You can directly upload using Add Attachment option from the computer, or you can download their app to your smartphone, take pictures and upload from there. Use any method that's convenient for you. After this, a teacher will evaluate your answers and provide you a score. Now let's move to the speaking section. For this section, click on Request for Speaking Test and choose a date and time slot. Once you book your slot, you will receive a joining link and start your test one-on-one with a teacher at the booked time. Just like the other tests, you will receive your score once your evaluation is completed by the teacher. The last remaining section is the listening section. Each test has an audio file attached and you will see a list of questions on the left. Listen to the audio and provide your answers in the blank spaces on the right. There is also a bonus module called Discussion where you can book a time slot to discuss your approach and strategy one-on-one with a teacher so that you can get a better idea and improve on things which are challenging to you. One really useful feature about this platform is live discussions and events. You can see on the screen that there is an option to join an event which is going to be a live discussion on every Tuesday and Thursday. From our dashboard on the left, you will see another option called Events. Here you can find all the upcoming events and the events for which you are registered. So you will get a notification under My Events. If you have any other questions or need more information, feel free to give their team a call or you can also send an email. Make sure to check out the description to find all the relevant contact information. I hope you have found this video helpful. If yes, do give thumbs up and subscribe for more updates. Until then, bye bye, take care and see you in the next video.